In this video, I will tell you a very important thing. But wait a minute. I think so it's a new update, okay? Here we can see the 7 surprise boxes which we can opt in after a streak, which is around 7 days of streak. So yeah, after 7 days we will got a pet pot, which is pretty nice. Oh, now let's talk about the main topic. So in this video I will tell you that why I haven't become a creator of PKXD universe. So as well you know that every PKXD player have a dream that he will be a creator a day. But yeah, for that you need at least 5k subscribers on YouTube, and few things are also necessary to do that because new rules are arriving. So yeah, for now it's pretty hard to do that. But yeah, what about me? Right now on my channel you can see the 4,830 subscribers, which is a little bit less to be a creator. But I had already completed my 5,000 subscribers. Then why are seeing 4,830? Well, the answer is very simple. It has been already a month me for uploading a video, and after that 1 month you can see that I had uploaded the videos very lazily. Maybe it's the new word, lazily. So after some time my subscribers dropped 5k to 4k, which is pretty insane. But only subscribers are not the reason that I haven't become the creator. So cause of that I haven't become a creator is, it's not only one reason. I have multiple reasons, but I will tell you those 4 which are important. So my first mistake was obviously uploading videos very lazily. I mean, I was not uploading videos regular. Even on that time I was uploading videos taking a lot of gaps, which dropped my subscribers a lot. And I was only uploading the short videos, not long videos. So subscribers are the first reason of that. Next one, when my subscribers went to 5k, then I immediately applied for the creator program. And on that, I had uploaded the wrong Gmail ID. Like my channel Gmail ID was different and my personal Gmail ID was different. So yeah, Gmail ID is also the reason of that. Oh, wait a minute. Now it's the time to talk in our way. And the third reason is the most biggest reason that I haven't become a creator. That is YouTube deleted my lot of videos. And I also deleted my lot of videos. So if you will look out my channel, you will find my most popular video is around 27k views. Sorry for bad English, ignore that. Next, when you will look out at my short section, you will find that my most popular video is around 9k. And originally I have more than 3 lakh views. But you will find only 1.5 lakh views on my channel. Even less than that. So yeah, I had already deleted a lot of videos. Because on those videos, I have got the copyright. And the music and few scenes was the reason of that. So that was a very terrible situation for me. So in few cases, YouTube automatically deleted my videos. And I myself deleted some of remaining videos, which was pretty necessary to do that. So because of that, my views are very less than my subscribers. And the fourth reason is not having the belief in myself. So yeah, so if you want to be a creator, then it's necessary that you have the belief and that need of being a creator and responsibility too. So yeah guys, these are the reasons why I haven't become the creator of PKXD. But what if I tell you that it can be happen in just few months? For that, what you guys have to do, just support me, just follow me, just like, share, subscribe, whatever you can do. And it's my original voice. So yeah, let's end our conversation. Give a like the video, give a subscribe, because I need your support a lot right now at least. So yeah guys, thanks for watching. Leave a like again. And guys, you also can check out my other videos. Thanks for watching.